today we're going to be painting the initiative token for Necromunda. It's a double-sided coin, which just needs a simple paint job to look great. I'm going to be painting mine to look gold. So using my airbrush, I've already undercoated this token Abaddon black, and I'm going to be giving the whole thing a brushing with Balthazar gold. This is going to give a great base colour for the lighter gold to really bring out the detail in the recesses. So you're just brushing it on with a big brush. There's no need to worry about being neat. You just want to make sure the paint isn't clogging up the details of the token. With Balthazar gold applied to both faces and the edges then left to dry, we're ready to apply a wash of Nuln oil over the whole thing. This is going to flow into all the detail and really add some depth to the recesses on the token. So you don't want it to be applied too thick, you just need a little bit on your brush, because you don't want to be leaving deep pools in those recesses, because that's just going to discolour it far too much. So if you see any bits where it's starting to pool, just keep using your brush, just moving it around, your brush will soak it back in and you'll be able to use it on other parts there. So you just want to get the wash done on both sides. The last step is just to apply the highlight. We'll just dry brush a light gold over the model, pick out the raised edges. I'm using burnished gold, which is an old Citadel paint. It's been replaced with auric armour gold. You just want to have a little bit on your brush. I've already worked it into the bristles using my palette here. And you're just gently dragging the brush down with just a little bit of paint there. And it's going to pick out all the raised edges, which is really going to bring out the detail, and those dark recesses from the Nuln oil really stand out there. So again, you just want to be gently dragging the brush down, just catching it with the tips of the bristles. And if you need to load up a little bit more, just back to your palette and then work it into the bristles and then keep going. Do this on both sides. I'm also going to paint the edges of the token as well, just so it all blends in. With both sides painted, you end up with a really nice initiative token.